Welcome student for today's lecture. Student, in last lecture we have seen that is about the process of the transcription and the process of the transcription, in which we have also seen that is the how the transcription takes place, that is how the mRNA synthesis takes place from the DNA. And in the process of the transcription, that is in eukaryotic cell, there is the processing on the hnRNA, that is the heterogeneous RNA. And this heterogeneous RNA, that is here the processing takes place means what? That is here the capping, tailing and splicing process takes place. And the mRNA, that is the functional mRNA is produced. So this mRNA which is produced in the nucleoplasm, then again transfer into the cell cytoplasm, and then again this functional mRNA is useful for the synthesis of the protein. So student, today we are going to see some part that is about the genetic code.
Genetic code. DNA is a genetic material and carries genetic information from cell to cell and generation to generation. DNA is the director which controls, regulates and determines the nature of proteins to be synthesized in a cell at a given time. The process of translation requires transfer of genetic information from a polymer of nucleotides to a polymer of amino acids. The changes in nucleic acids are responsible for change in amino acids in proteins. This led to the proposition of a genetic code that could direct the sequence of amino acids during synthesis of proteins. The group of nucleotides that specify one amino acid is known as codon, and the relationship between the sequences of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is called the genetic code. DNA contains 4 kinds of nucleotides, ATGC, and proteins are synthesized from 20 different types of amino acids. In a singlet code, each base specifies one amino acid. Only 4 of the 20 types of amino acids could code. In a doublet code, 2 bases could specify one amino acid. 16 of the 20 amino acids can be specifying. A triplet code was suggested by Gamow in 1954. According to triplet code, 3 letters or bases specify one amino acid. Thus, 64, 4 into 4 into 4. Triplets of bases determine 20 amino acids. Type of code. Number of bases in codon. Number of codons. Single code 1, 4. Doublet code 2, 4 into 4, 16. Triplet code 3, 4 into 4 into 4 equals to 64.
About the genetic code. Genetic code हा concept कशाशी related आहे? It is related to the protein synthesis, but it is some different part, that is the genetic code means what? Okay, so here the genetic code, this concept, it was firstly given, that is by the scientist Enopsky and the Sarabhai. Scientist Enopsky and the Sarabhai, these are 2 scientists in 1964, who noted that is the portion of the DNA take part in the process of the synthesis of the mRNA, that is we have seen in the transcriptional unit. That is here, see here is the DNA, double stranded DNA, and we have seen how the transcription process takes place. That is here the transcription, it mainly takes place on the structural gene. Here is the structural gene. Here we have seen that is the promoter gene sequence. Here the terminator gene sequence. And here is the structural gene sequence. So here the structural gene sequence, that is the portion, it is of the DNA. Okay, so here the scientist Janosky and the Sarabhai, who proved that is noted that the portion of the DNA take process for the protein synthesis, that is, it is the structural gene. Okay, so here this structural gene that is on which there are the presence of the nucleotide sequence, and the nucleotide sequence of this structural gene, nucleotide sequence of this structural gene, it mainly that is having the genetic information. So this genetic information which is on the structural gene, it is in the coded form. The genetic information is in the coded form. That is, the genetic information which is present on the structural gene of the DNA. Present on the structural gene of the DNA. So it is the structural gene. We have seen the template strand on which here the promoter, then structural gene and the terminator gene. So the structural gene, it mainly having the genetic information, and this genetic information it is in the form of the nucleotide sequence. Okay, so here the structural gene which is having the genetic information, and there is the nucleotide sequence. There is the nucleotide sequence. Okay, so here the nucleotide sequence of the structural gene, this nucleotide sequence of the structural gene on which genetic information is stored, that is nothing but the genetic code. It is known as the genetic code. Okay, so here the nucleotide sequence of structural gene. Nucleotide sequence of structural gene is known as genetic code. Is known as the genetic code. So here this genetic code, that is nothing but the genetic information. Okay, so here the genetic code, that is, it is the coded language which is present on the DNA. Genetic code, हा genetic code म्हणजे काय आहे? It is the coded language. It is the coded language which is present on the DNA. ही कोडेड लँग्वेज कशावरती आहे? DNA वरती आहे. दॅट इज ऑन द स्ट्रक्चरल जीन. ओके, हा स्ट्रक्चरल जीन हा कशाचा भाग आहे? हा DNAचा. आणि या DNA वरती असणारा, या स्ट्रक्चरल जीन मध्ये असणारा जी काही कोडेड लँग्वेज आहे विच इज प्रेझेंट ऑन द DNA, दॅट इज दिस लँग्वेज इज नोन ॲज द क्रिप्टोग्राम. यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं? क्रिप्टोग्राम. म्हणजे ही जी लँग्वेज आहे, इट इज नोन ॲज द क्रिप्टोग्राम. सो हियर दिस लँग्वेज हॅव्हिंग द कोड वर्ड. आता या क्रिप्टोग्राम किंवा ही जी जेनेटिक लँग्वेज आहे, कोडेड लँग्वेज, इट इज हॅव्हिंग द कोड वर्ड. याला काय आहे? कोड वर्ड आहे. इट इज हॅव्हिंग द कोड वर्ड. ओके, अँड दिस कोड वर्ड इज नथिंग बट द जेनेटिक कोड. This code word is nothing but the genetic code, or it is known as the codons. यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण? Genetic code, that is nothing but the codons. So here these codons, these are mainly present on the mRNA. So here these codons which are present on this mRNA, these are mainly specify the amino acid. One codon specify one amino acid. Okay, like this. Okay, so here that is, see here scientist Janosky and the Sarabhai who give the concept, that is the nucleotide sequence which is present on the structural gene, It is known as the genetic code. Okay, so this genetic code language, that is, it is the coded language. It is known as the cryptograms. And this code word, हा जो काही कोड वर्ड यूज केला जातो की जो mRNA वरती ट्रान्सक्राइब होतो, that is known as the codons. Okay, so here the codons mainly specify the amino acid. So see, that is here in the cell there are the 4 nucleotides. If we see, that is in the cell there are the 4 nucleotides. On the DNA strand there are the 4 nucleotides. Okay, so which are the 4 nucleotides? Here in the cells there are 4 nucleotides, or it is nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases, that is the adenine, then guanine, then cytosine and the thymine. So these are the nucleotides or the nitrogen bases. So here the 4 types of these nucleotides, and these 4 type of the nucleotides, they specify the 20 amino acids. How many amino acids are there? 20 amino acids. They specifies the 20 amino acids. So how they can specify the 20 amino acids? So see, that is here, if the one nucleotide is the one codon, then how many nucleotide will be produced? 1, 2, 3, 4 codons will be produced. If we consider one nucleotide as a 1 codon, म्हणजे जर adenine असेल, हा एक nucleotide असेल, that is, it is considered as a 1 codon. So this adenine, it mainly codes the amino acid AA1. Guanine, it code the amino acid AA2. Cytosine code the amino acid AA3. Thymine code the amino acid AA4. So see, that is here, these codons, that is the genetic code, which are present on this mRNA, that is here, this is the singlet codon. These are the singlet codon. म्हणजे एकच आपण काय केलेले तर नायट्रोजन बेस कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. So one nitrogen base code one amino acid, another code another. So here the 4 nitrogen base can code the 4 amino acid. Then what will be the about the 20 amino acids? So how the 20 amino acids can be coded? Okay, so it is, this concept is the singlet codon. It is known as the singlet codon. Singlet codon. That is, one nitrogen base or the nucleotide is equal to 1 codon. Okay. Then here, if the scientist again who gives that is these 4 codons does not specify 20 amino acids, then there may be the possibility, that is, the 2 codon is equal to 2 nitrogen bases or the 2 nucleotide is equal to 1 codon. Okay, so 2 nucleotide is equal to 1 codon. There are the 4 nucleotides. Okay, so for example, AG is equal to 1 codon. Okay, like this. So here there are the 4 nucleotides. So 4 multiplied by 4, there will be the 16 codons. There will be the 16 codons. Okay, so how the 16 codons can specify 20 amino acids? म्हणजे 16 codons हे 20 amino acids कसे काय specify करू शकतील? It is also not possible. Okay, म्हणजे so here the 2 codons, म्हणजेच इथं consider that is the doublet. That is the doublet codons. Doublet codons means what? That is, the 2 nucleotides are together produce the 1 codon. म्हणजे 2 न्यूक्लियोटाइड एकत्र मिळून एक कोडॉन तयार होत असेल तर टोटली म्हणजे AG असेल, पुन्हा AC, पुन्हा AT, ठीक आहे, किंवा AA, परत पुन्हा GC, या पद्धतीने 2 कोडॉन जर एकत्र केले तर टोटली किती 16 कोडॉन्स तयार होतील टोटली, हे सगळे 4 न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स मिळून. आणि मग 16 कोडॉन्स 20 अमायनो ॲसिड कसे काय कोड करू शकतील? Okay, so it is also not possible. That is about the doublet codons. So here the codons, then the scientists proved that is the codons, these are made up of the 3 nitrogen bases. That is, here there are the adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. That is, these codons, that is, they mainly codes, that is, here the 3 nitrogen bases. So if we consider the 3 nitrogen bases, so see that is here, if here there are the singlet codon, then there will be the 4:1, that is 4 codons will be produced, 4 codons. If there are the doublet consider, that is the 4:2, okay, and triplet, that is these codons, these are in the triplet form. Triplet means what? That is the 4 nitrogen bases, that is out of which here the 3 nitrogen bases is equal to 1 codon. जर 3 नायट्रोजन बेस म्हणजे AGC हे मिळून एक कोडॉन तयार होत असेल, सो हिअर कन्सिडर ॲज द triplet. So here 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to how many? 64. So there are the 64 codons will be produced, and here the 64 codons can easily specify the 20 amino acids. म्हणजे सेल्स मध्ये जे 20 amino acids आहेत ते 64 कोडॉन्स सहज स्पेसिफाय करू शकतील, परंतु 16 कोडॉन्स 20 अमायनो ॲसिड्स हे जास्त होत आहेत, त्यामुळं 16 कोडॉन्स स्पेसिफाय करू शकत नाहीत किंवा 4 कोडॉन्स सुद्धा स्पेसिफाय करू शकत नाहीत. ओके, सो इफ वी कन्सिडर द सिंगलेट कोडॉन, देर विल बी द प्रोड्यूस हाऊ मेनी कोडॉन्स? 4 codons will be produced. These 4 codons does not specify 20 amino acids. Okay. Then if we consider that is the 2 nitrogen bases or the nucleotide is equal to 1 codon, that is there will be the formation of the 16 codons. किती तयार होतील? 16 codons तयार होतील, and these 16 codons does not specify the 20 amino acids. Then so the doublet codons, it is also not possible. So here the codons, they are in the triplet form. Why? Because there are the 3 nitrogen nucleotides or the nitrogen bases are together, then here there will be the formation of 64 codons, and the 64 codons can specify the 20 amino acids. So student, so next see that is about, so here the scientist George Gambo who proved that is here scientist George Gambo who proved that is in 1954. In 1954, who give that is the 3 successive nucleotide produce the codon and specify 20 amino acid. Who proved that is 3 successive nucleotides. Three successive nucleotides which produce the codons, that is they are in the triplet form, and they specify the 20 amino acids. So here the scientist, according to the scientist Crick, that is here the codons, these are always in the triplet form according to the scientist Crick. So the scientist Crick in 1961 who proved that is the codons, they are always in the triplet form. They are always in triplet. म्हणजे नंतर सायंटिस्ट क्रिक यांनी काय सांगितलं, that is the codons, these are made up of the 3 nucleotide, that is the codons, they are always in the triplet form. Then the scientist Narenberg, Mithai and Okoa, scientist Narenberg, Mithai Mithai, and the scientist Okoa. These three scientists who proved that is the codons, they are mainly, that is, which are read on the DNA, that is from the 5 prime end to the 3 prime end, and here on the DNA they are read, that is 5 prime end to the 3 prime end. Okay, so which are present on this DNA. So here on the mRNA, that is, if there are the possibility, that is here, if we see the structure of the mRNA, so in the mRNA, here is the 5 prime end, here is the 3 prime end. So at the 5 prime end, here is the initiation codon. Initiation codon. While at the 3 prime end, here is the termination codon. We have seen in last year structure of the mRNA. So it is the structure of mRNA. So on this mRNA, the initiation codon, these are mainly that is the AUG and GUG. So see, that is here the AUG and GUG. These are the two are the initiation codon. These are the initiation codons. So which are the termination codon? These are also known as the stop codons or the nonsense codons. So which are present at the 3 prime end. These are present at the 5 prime end. Okay, while at the 3 prime end there are the 3 codons, that is UAA, UAG and UZA. So these 3 are the termination codon. Termination codon, or they are also known as the nonsense codon. Nonsense codons. These are known as the nonsense codon. So here, according to this scientist, we have seen that is here the 3 successive nucleotides together produce 1 codon. Okay, so here that is how many codons are there? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That is, there are the 64 codons. And the 64 codons which specify how many amino acids? That is 20 amino acids. Okay, out of which here the 3 codons, these are the stop codons or nonsense codons. Okay, so here the 64 minus 1 is equal to, that is the 61. So the 61 codon, 64 minus 3. 3 are the nonsense codon. 3 are the nonsense codon. Okay, these 1, 2, 3. These codons does not specify any amino acid. हे तीनही codon कोणताही amino acid specify करत नाही. So here total किती आहेत? 64 codons minus 3. त्यातून 3 मायनस केले का? तर हे 3 कसे आहेत? नॉनसेन्स कोडॉन्स आहेत. सो हियर देर आर द 61 विच आर द सेन्स कोडॉन्स. हे कोडॉन्स कसे आहेत? सेन्स कोडॉन्स. दीज आर द नॉनसेन्स कोडॉन्स. These are the nonsense codons. Okay, student. So here the 61 codons, they specify the 20 amino acids. They specify the 20 amino acids. Okay. So see, that is here how many total there are the 64 codons, out of which 3 are the nonsense codons which are present at the 3 prime end. And so the 61 codons, these are the sense codons and they specify the 20 amino acids. So student, according to the Narenberg, Mithai and the Okoa scientist, how the codons are produced. How the 64 codons are produced. So see, that is how the 64 codons are produced, that is by the chart. So see the chart, you can also draw this chart. It is very simple. How the 64 codons are produced. So see, that is here the first, see here there are the so here I am writing that is the initiation, that is the first codon. So first codon, so start here U C A and G. U C A G. ओके, आता हेच आपण इथे लिहिणार आहोत U C A and G. सेकंड स्टेज मध्ये. इट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज, इट इज द सेकंड स्टेज. थर्ड स्टेज मध्ये मात्र लिहिताना इथे काय करायचंय आपल्याला, तर 4 एकत्रित लिहायचेत. 4 काय करायचेत आपल्याला, एकत्रित लिहायचे. बघा, दॅट इज UCAG. थर्ड स्टेप मध्ये UCAG. पुन्हा हेच UCAG. पुन्हा हेच येतील UCAG. पुन्हा इथे लास्ट UCAG. ठीक आहे. इट इज द थर्ड पोझिशन. बघा आता फर्स्ट पोझिशन ही असेल, सेकंड हे आणि थर्ड हे येईल. ठीक आहे. मग आता आपण इथे कोडॉन्स 64 कोडॉन्स हे कसे तयार होत आहेत बघणार आहोत. हाऊ द 64 कोडॉन्स आर प्रोड्यूस. How the 64 codons are produced. So see, that is here first position U, second position U, आणि पुन्हा याच लाईन मध्ये थर्ड पोझिशनला काय येईल, U. सो इट इज द वन कोडॉन. एक कोडॉन तयार झाला. ठीक आहे. दुसरा कोडॉन बघा, पुन्हा U येईल, पुन्हा U येईल. आता इथं थर्ड पोझिशनला काय आहे, C आहे. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर पुन्हा U. आता इथं थर्ड पोझिशनला काय आहे, ए. ठीक आहे. पुन्हा फर्स्ट पोझिशन U, सेकंड U, पुन्हा U आला. ठीक आहे. लक्षात घ्या, U इथे लिहिला, हा U इथे येईल आणि हा U कुठला आला, इथला आला. ठीक आहे. पुन्हा हा U इथे येईल, हा U सेकंड पोझिशनला येईल, थर्ड पोझिशनला मात्र इथला C येईल. ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट पोझिशनला हा U येईल, सेकंड पोझिशनला हा U येईल, थर्ड पोझिशनला हा A येईल. त्यानंतर पुन्हा U, हा पुन्हा सेकंड पोझिशनला U, थर्ड पोझिशनला इथं काय येईल, G. हाऊ मेनी कोडॉन्स आर प्रोड्यूस, 1 2 3 4. ओके. सो हिअर द 3 सिक्वेन्शियल न्यूक्लिओटाइड्स, 1 कोडॉन. आता सेकंड आपण जर घेतला तर याच्यामध्ये इथं बघूयात आपण, दॅट इज फर्स्ट पोझिशन C आहे, सेकंड पोझिशनला U आहे आणि थर्ड पोझिशनला इथला काय येईल, U. लक्षात येते. पुन्हा काय येईल, फर्स्ट पोझिशन C, सेकंड पोझिशन U, पुन्हा काय येईल, इथला C. ठीक आहे. पुन्हा C, पुन्हा U, पुन्हा A. ठीक आहे. पुन्हा काय येईल, CUG. म्हणजे इथं UCAG ही फक्त थर्ड पोझिशन येईल, फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड पोझिशन ही सारखी राहील. ठीक आहे. म्हणजे इथं एक लक्षात घ्या की या पद्धतीनं या पहिल्या कॉलम मध्ये किती झाले, 1 2 3 4. इथं 4 तयार होतील, इथं 4, इथं 4, इथं 4, इथं 4, इथं 4, इथं 4 ऑलरेडी तयार झालेले आहेत, इथं 4 तयार आहेत. 4 4 4 4, इथे 4, इथे 4, इथे 4, इथे 4. ओके. म्हणजे 1 2 3 4 आणि 4 4 4 4, that is the codons. In this way here, how many codons are there? 64 codons are produced. So out of these 64 codons, the 3 codons which are the stop codons, 3 are the stop codons or nonsense codons. Okay, so -3 here, there are the 61 codons which are the sense codons. 61 codons are the sense codons. Okay, so student, to you draw this chart and see how the 64 codons are produced and which are of the 3 stop codons, that is the UAA, UAG and UGA, where they are in this box. Okay, so it is about the today's lecture. So today we stop here.